Hi everyone, it's Kieran from 81 Vintage, and in today's episode we're going thrifting and we're looking specifically for smalls for my retail booth. I'm on the struggle bus today. I've woke up with shot eyes, red eyes. For me it must be the change in the seasons. It's definitely colder, so I've gone with a coat. But I'm hoping there's going to be lots of good junk today, so let's go and have a look. Definitely going to be needing to take an energy drink with me today, have that in the car, and I'm also going to take one of these domes with me so I can look for more thrifted bases while I'm there. And it's still got the error light on it, it's still not fixed. I'll get around to it at some point.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.
I think you'd have to be pretty brave to try and flip that piece. It's like there's loads of new boxes out though, so that might be where, it's quite close, that might be where we find our monies today.
Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note.
There's some new furniture by the looks of it. Let's go see if there's anything we want.
Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air.
This piece from the other week's now got a price tag on it, but I think £80 is a bit too much. It's got some damage here and the drawers just don't slide very nice. I think £10–15 would be where I'd be at. Love these tables. I think that could be really cool. That one's a bit amateury, paintery, which is fine, but I think the idea could be awesome. I think that pattern could actually be really cool on a piece of furniture, so I think that's probably one for a future project. So a bit of inspiration there. They have some old green velvet. So I've actually wanted some of this for a while for the bottom of cloches to use as like a base for taxidermy, which is what they used to do in the olden days. So keep that and put it to one side for that project. That will show up at some point on the channel, I'm sure.
We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair.
So I'm not bringing them in just yet, so I'm just going to show you them in the car, but I did pick up those tables. So I asked her how much the tables were. She said they were £5 each. So £5 each, I had to take them. I'm going to do one with all the fish on the top, similar to the table that I've got, and I'm going to put that in the shop. So probably won't do that as a video unless you want to see that one. And then the other one I am going to do a video of, and I think I'm going to try and make that swirl pattern, but just do it in a bit more of a refined way. So that will be a future video at some point. I've been thrifting these really massive paintbrushes for a while. And I was thinking about hanging them up as wall art, so I've just been trying to arrange them. I was thinking of arranging them like this, and then possibly either painting the handles all black so that the top looks less genuinely used, just so that they look a little bit more intentional. And then I was thinking about just hanging them as like a collection here on this side, and then eventually when I thrift more, I could put them on the other side of this big mirror. This mirror. I'm going to take some tape. I'm going to tape around the metal collar. Normally I'd use my teeth to bite off the sellotape, but as I'm getting older, I'm trying to look after them. I'm 32, I've only got 2 fillings, that's quite good going, so, you know. I think that looks quite good. I think they might look quite good on the wall. So to hang them, I'm just picking the centre point and making a little hole, a little indent, and then screw a little screw in, and then wrap a piece of wire around to make a little hoop, and then hang it on the wall. So this is how they've come out. I think they look really quite cool. Let me know what you think. Is this high-end decor, or is it just old crap stuck on a wall? Anyway, that's it for today's episode. Thanks so much for catching up with me. If you want to see some more makeovers, I'll leave a playlist here for things that you won't see anywhere else. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to catch all my future episodes, and I'm really trying to get to 4,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next episode.